Starting from Zhangye City all the way to the west, you'll find a breathtaking world. Being there is like being on another planet. And this is unique to the Qilian Mountains, the Ice Valley Danxia Landforms. As the sun sets, the towering mountains comprised of strange-looking rock formations present an even richer change of colors, as brilliant and glorious as castles. On these strange rocks, you can see thick and thin sediment stratification and clear veins on the formations. The coarse sedimentary rocks are conglomerates, while sandstones appear more compact and even. These rocks stand there silently, but hides within it the mystery of how the Kilian Mountains came to be. Let's turn the clock to 200 million years ago. At that time, the Kilian Mountains were an ocean. Due to the shifting of the Himalayas, this broad expanse rose and became today's Kilian Mountains. The original ocean floor was elevated, and the underwater sludge, rich in iron, was exposed to the air. Due to different degrees of oxidation, a matrix of distinct red gravel layers was formed. Even then, the Creator did not stop his carvings. Long-term weathering and erosion created today's majestic and stoic mountain range with overlapping peaks forming the colonnade palace-like Danxia Landforms. In China, most Danxia Landforms are found in tropical or humid subtropical zones. The discovery of the Kilian Mountains Danxia Landforms, however, broke this previously long-held assumption. Walking into this area, covering more than 300 square kilometers, is like opening up a photo album of time. You can browse and enjoy it at will, the Danxia Landforms from different periods. The valley made of vertical and steep cliffs is Danxia in its vibrant adolescence. As the cliff face crumbles away, the castle-like stone walls or pillars of remaining mountains arise, ushering in the magnificent middle-aged Danxia. With more weathering and erosion, the enormous castles collapse. Eventually, on the gentle slope, a single peak remains, indicating that the Danxia has entered old age. Scattered across the mountain range, the sparse and alien-looking formations are the Danxia's final look before they wither away. Finally, where the slopes gradually become gentler, the Danxia Landforms are no longer distinguishable. The sedimentary rocks are covered with soil. There you'll find some white flowers growing unyieldingly on the soil. Red sandstones, in fact, are not suitable for plant growth, but these white umbrella-like plants firmly cling onto the soil with their strong roots. This is a commonly seen desert plant, a Mongol leek, on the perishing Danxia rocks, showing the world its tenacity and will to survive. The Ice Valley Danxia Landforms that accompanied the birth of the Kilian Mountains stand tall, desolate, and alone in western China. They are the best witnesses to the vicissitudes of time over billions of years.